Thank you for joining us here at ISE. My name is Daniel and I'm the development manager for Evoko. Evoko have been developing award-winning room booking systems since 2009. And with the new Evoko Naso, we will take the room booking experience to another level for minimalistic usability. And we will also open new doors to the complete coordination of workspacing. The standalone Naso is a dedicated room booking system that should be placed outside of your meeting room. It is as beautiful as it is simple and easy to use. And we have also created 3 specific packages that will covers all the needs one will have for the modern workspace for the new decade. So we will have the rose package, which stands for room services and adds advanced booking features to the Naso. We have some functionality that comes to the Naso itself, enabling automatic check-in via sensors, also user identification via RFID or PIN. There will also be possible to have meeting and event management, so you can add catering or book extra equipment or customized resources. There will also be possible to make room finding and room filtered search, and as well have extensions and interoperabilities with customized apps and also third-party integrations over the open API. The second packages is the Pepper packages, which stands for Personal Place Resources, and it enables desk booking and car space management, and it also makes it possible to find your colleagues based upon their check-ins on their desks. And as well, integration and interoperability, so desk booking and car space management will be available via the app as well. And the final one is the Guava, which stands for Guest and Visitor Administration. That is an AI-powered visitor management system that makes it very easy to meet and greet your visitors in a professional way. To learn more and see what's new, please visit us at evoko.se. Thank you for joining us here at ISE.